In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Cryptomania application. And to do this process, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars right over here. Then we're going to go ahead and go to the FAQ section. Now, keep in mind that Cryptomania is a trading simulator, so we can't directly withdraw money from Cryptomania to like a bank account or anything like that, but we can actually still use the money that we did earn on Cryptomania in order to get like rewards and stuff like that. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and select on play money just like so, and then there's going to be a section over here that does say how can I withdraw play money. So it will now tell you that Cryptomania is a simulator. You cannot withdraw or deposit play money because it's not real. However, that doesn't mean that the money that you did get from Cryptomania is useless, because you could still use your virtual savings and spend them in the in-game shop. And over here, it'll provide you with a link explaining to you what the shop has to offer. So look, there it is. And basically we can go ahead and actually purchase other stuff as well. And we could purchase boxes and basically other stuff in order to propel our trading expertise. So let me just show you guys how to access the shop. All right, so what you want to do in the main menu is you want to go ahead and select over here where it says shop. And over here, it is going to give you a bunch of special offers that you guys can go ahead and take advantage of. And you could do this by using the money that you did earn on Cryptomania. Now again, because Cryptomania is a simulator, that means you could only use Cryptomania money inside of Cryptomania. You can't use it anywhere else, so just keep that in mind, guys. But I hope this video was able to provide some clarification. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.